Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add animated background in Shopify store. If you want to claim the current best deal of $1 for the first 3 months, check out the link in the description below. Adding an animated background to your Shopify store can enhance its visual appeal. Here's a step-by-step guide for 2025. Step 1. Plan your animated background. Choose the animation type. Decide on the type of animation you want. Gradient, video, or CSS animations. If you're using a video or custom animations, ensure it's optimized for web use. Small file size. Step 2. Access your Shopify admin. Go to online store, tap on themes, then click the three dots or actions, and tap duplicate. This ensures you have a backup. Work on the duplicated theme to avoid impacted your live store. Click actions, tap on edit code on your duplicated theme, then open the theme liquid file or the specific page template you want to modify. In the Assets folder, click Add a new asset and upload your custom animation file. Add the CSS code to your theme.css or base.css file. Now, save the changes. For video background, upload your video to the File section in Settings and Files. Copy the video URL. Add this code to the theme.liquid or specific section. Then, add this CSS to theme.css or base.css. Add this code. Then go back to the theme and click Preview on the duplicate theme. Now check your animation across different devices and browsers for compatibility. If satisfied, return to the themes, click Actions, and publish on your edited theme. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.